Sorcery soap, and I wanted to show you what just came in. This is the proof of the binder. This is replacing the binder. This is a workbook, a soap workbook, and there's volumes 1 and 2. This one's volume 1 for the animal-based soap dough recipes and soap bar recipes, and this is volume 2 for the vegetable-based soap dough and soap bar recipes, and they are so fun. I worked for months on these, and I'm really, really pleased with them. These are mine, my images, creations, black and whites of soaps in here. Everything to get you inspired and to keep you inspired, and a place to document all your notes for the soap recipes. And each page is different, and both books are different, a little bit different. Some of the basic information in here is similar, but this has 10 animal-based recipes in it, and this one has 10 vegetable-based recipes in it, and I'm so crazy happy with this. This full spread, it turned out perfect. It is so amazing. And tons and tons of information and basic soap dough or soap recipes that you can use for soap dough or soap, cold processed soap. So I'm just really, really happy with these, and I wanted to share them with you. Okay, thanks. Bye.